Okay, so this is Andy Graham or Andrew C. Graham with Automation Anytime, and this is the SPAC portion, S-P-A-K or S-P-A-C-K, depending on how you think about it. And I was doing some thinking, some pondering, some walking around, designing. These are some of the things that I designed about 14 years ago and built. Believe it or not, I built some of these things, but I was in the midst of continuous building. You could say that they have a black belt in what's called process management or something like that. It's called Kaizen, Six Sigma, things like that. And and so, anyways, I learned with some of these people back in the day. I didn't read through the book all the way, but I learned some of the concepts here and there. With that being said, it's a little bit obvious. I didn't write those books, but remember back in the day, it's called the progression of technology and the resource allocation and the design of how people probably will do things, work in the future, including remote work and what people are going to do for a livelihood based in different theories, whether it's capitalism, socialism, communism, things of that sort. So with that being said, we have my design that I thought of in 2013 and a half or 2014 that I started building about then. I realized that the laptop generation is good. There's reasons for that because it's basically like a miniature server depending on your coding ability and access to resources and things like that. But then after that, the phone, the tablet, things like that with various gigabytes, RAMs, servers, globally, locally, things like that. The regulations go along with that. Now, my design for 2014 that I started to build was basically miniature, not necessarily a candle, but a candle or like a can of tobacco that takes pictures. Those pictures are uploaded to various servers of my design based on various keywords. The artificial intelligence designed based on the server that it goes to builds out the site or the content based on my pre-built rule sets, known and unknown, and then voice commands. So voice commands, various words. Some people like to go all the way down to gestures, where there's one eye, two eye, an eyelash, or a hand gesture. That was a little bit more, that was too fancy for me because it required additional tech that was observable anyways by any artificial intelligence that was statistically significant within reason. So anyways, thanks for listening. And this is with Automation Anytime, SPAC, pending inventions, things like that.